The Graves Motorsports Catback Carbon Exhaust System for the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500. Nice little kit, easy to install, takes a couple of minutes. It leaves the stock catalytic converter in place, and there's no need to modify any part of the emission system to install this pipe and have a nice sounding motorcycle. A few too many peanuts here. Talking to you guys. Really don't like peanuts. But it protects that. Comes in a nice styrofoam protected case. And it's bagged. We have to look in the box in the peanuts for the other parts. See that? There's an adapter, a spring, and a clamp. Remove the adapter. And spring out. Put it down. Nice sound insert. You can remove that if you like. It has a really deep, throaty sound. Some racetracks will allow you to have a little bit extra noise. But you get the insert in case they require sound down. So, we'll start by removing the stock silencer. First thing we're going to do is remove this heat shield. 5mm Allen to undo this bolt. Seems to be a healthy amount of Loctite on that. Yep. We're gonna loosen this clamp here with a 10mm. It's holding that heat shield in place. Let me get it. We're going to loosen this 12mm bolt. And then we're going to loosen this. It's an actual 8mm bolt with a 10 head and a 12 nut on the back side. We'll remove that. Save that nut, we're going to reuse it. And we're going to save this bolt and the washer because we're going to reuse it. So just give us a little wiggle, a twist. Careful not to scratch your swing arm. And we won't need any of this. Next, we're going to slip this piece, adapter, over the pipe, and then we're going to slide the silencer on this adapter. Just be careful when you're doing this. So there's a little twist to this for this angle to get it exactly right. And you want to have it so that this bracket and this twist is just in the right place. You're going to get the pipe down there, and then you got to twist it for the just exact right location. Now you can get your bolt mounted in there. Not quite where I want it. Right there. Now it just, once you get it right, you know it. It just falls right into place. Bolt in. Go ahead and just give that a little wiggle. Tighten that up. Add a little jiggle. Next, we're going to install the spring. Just hook it on the tab on the back of the silencer. We're going to use a spring type tool. Hold the bike so you don't move forward. Hook the spring on there. Now it's nice and tidy. Then we're going to tighten up this clamp here. I like to get this in a nice position so just turn it up underneath a little bit. I don't like to see too much of it from the top, from the back. There we go. And you're good to go. Ready to ride.